Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. I'm warmly welcome you all for this Thursday's masterclass event on machine learning. And I hope you guys are super excited for this series because like this series is really like a project series. Because why I'm calling in this way is because in this third day series you'll be building more than 25, I think. So more than 25, which is around 28 plus project, 28 projects I think you will be building. So in this complete series, I hope you all super excited for this session. If you all super excited, you just post I'm super excited Sanjay in your live chat. So this is what it's all about. Okay, so we are in this machine learning masterclass series where that 25 plus project which is going to cover on different categories like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and etc. So, and I hope you guys are super excited for this series. If you all excited, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, are you all excited? So if you all excited, just give your comments in the live chat that you are excited. Okay, so and before going on to the session, I would like to welcome the people who are all in this live. So first of all, before going further, I would like to thank you because in this live, so a lot of people have posted a lot of positive messages like I can't wait for the series and this session is going to be really life changing. So likewise, there are a lot of comments which I've read from this live. I felt really happy while I'm reading this. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for giving some awesome messages in the live chat. Okay, so thank you so much. And before going further, I would like to welcome each and every people who are all in the live. So Victor, hi, thank you so much. I've read your message. And Shwatika, hi. And Shrikant, sir, hi. And Ashutosh, hi. And Abhyodhan, hi Abhyodhan, good to meet you again. Thank you so much. It's been a really great thing, right? So thank you so much, Abhyodhan. And Vrindavan, thank you. And Ata, hi, good evening. And Adisina, hi. And Victor, hi. And Vasu, lovely, hi. And Monk, lovely, hi. And Vinay, hi. Shwatika, hi. And Pradumesh, hi. Joshua, hi. This is going to be very interesting journey in this machine learning. That's really awesome. And Adams, my enthusiasm knows no bound. Thanks Pantech Solutions for this laudable initiative. That's really awesome. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, and Akash, hi. And Ronti, hi. Masti time, hi. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for being here. And Abhijit, hi. And SK Videos, hi. And Kausar, hi. And World Tech Galaxy, hi. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. It's really great to have you. So hello from Shushank, hi. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for being into this event. So shall we begin the session? So if you are ready, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. So yes, so before going on to the session further, let me tell you something. Like you might be from different department. You might be from computer science. You might be from mechanical. You might be from like electronics, you might be from electrical, you might be from like civil or whatever. So a lot of people are moving on to the field of artificial intelligence. And yes, so you are in the right place. Okay, so whatever the department you are, don't worry about it because this session is gonna be really adding a value in your career. Okay, so if you are ready for it, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat, guys. So if you are attending my session for the first time, just remember one thing. This session is not gonna be like your usual boring session. So it is gonna be like super interactive. So whatever you really want, you're going to ask me and I'm going to reply you. And apart from the skills, apart from this AI skills, apart from the machine learning skills, you are going to learn something which is gonna be gained only through the experience. That is what I'm gonna be sharing you, because even though I've got some knowledge, but apart from it, I've learned a lot more stuffs apart from the technical skills, because technical skills is not really not only important thing in your career. Apart from the technical skills, you need additional other skills to improve yourself in different parts. Okay, that definitely we are going to discuss it very soon. And this session is gonna be more than a 90-minute. Okay, please clear all the time in your schedule. Okay, if you can't able to attend this as a stretch, okay, it is really going to be really difficult for you. So please clear the 90-minute schedule. So in your schedule, and then keep your mobile phone and other distracting medium away. So if you are attending in a mobile phone, just keep it and turn off all of your notification and be attentive to the session. And if you don't have notebooks with you, please take your notebooks with you. Okay, so if you have took your notebooks, you just post I took Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, Mokesh posted I'm ready sir. That's awesome. Please call me Sanjay, guys. No need to call sir. Please call me Sanjay. And Swagata, Rajkumar, and Puva, a lot of people are posted already. That's really awesome. And final thing, minimum 20 days attendance is required to avail the e-certificate. So each and every day, attendance link will be shared in the live chat around at the time of end of the event or at the end in between of the live. It might be shared at any time. So attendance link will be available at any time in the live chats. So you just want to click that link and you just want to fill up your attendance for more than like each and every day attendance link will be shared. But minimum 25 days of attendance is required to avail free certificate. Yes. So the people who are all attending in the YouTube, you are also going to get a certificate, but don't focus on the certificate. Just focus on your 30 days with 25 plus project. Just focus on it, because in your resume, you just imagine you're going to add 25 plus project. Definitely we are not going to do that, but so the hands-on experience on every algorithms on supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning of machine learning. So everything which is going to be added in your resume. So if you are super ready for it, just leave one fire emojis in the live chat. Okay. So you guys are ready? So if you are ready, just leave one fire emojis in the live chat. Let us see the people who are all going to give the fire emojis. Okay. Ready with notes. Srikanth, that's awesome. And Inba Kumar, that's awesome. Great. And Mohini, hi, Mohini. And Sulaiman, hi. Radhika, hi. Great. That's really awesome, guys. Okay, so let us begin the session. So before that, let me share you some story. Okay, so why I really want to share you some story is, you are looking or you are just seeing some person who used to like in the state of mind where the person who used to have a lot of arrears, in my first year, I didn't had any arrears. I've passed it and everything which was okay. But in my second year, the first semester, which is third semester, I got only one arrear. Okay, so I got an arrear, but for my favorite subject, so Sakyo thing, so I got an arrear. But after I got an arrear in my third semester, I got completely demotivated, and I used to have 3 arrears additionally in my fourth semester, which includes M3 in my third semester and M4, not M4. I think M3 and current paper M4. So totally there are nearly around 4 arrears in my fourth semester. And in the years or semester passing by, I used to have some arrears added, some arrears have been cleared out. So likewise, I used to have a lot of arrears in my career as well. So in my second year, there is an arrear. In my third year, there is an arrear. In my final year, there is an arrear. So that is the person who are looking me. Okay, so that is what the person. But my life-changing moment was my interaction with Pantech Solutions on my third year. On my third year, I've did an internship with the Pantech Solutions. That really changed everything, because like even in my school days, even in my college days, I'm not good at programming even, because like the C programming, I used to get a grade of E grade, that is just pass, right? That is what the grade on my second year, I think so. So that is what is all about my journey. But while doing my internship in my third year, I've handled a lot more things. I've worked on a lot of projects. I worked on a lot of PCB design. I used to work on real-time projects and product as well. I got a really great opportunity. That is what my turning point is. So after that, rest is a really awesome thing, because after completing my degree, I directly came to Pantech. Okay, I haven't gone any company to attend any interview. Even I got selected in some of the campus, but I haven't attended the HR round. But in one of the round, like in VLSI company, so I used to clear some of the steps, but I haven't attended my last round. So what is the reason is because they have dropped 4 years of bonding. So which is like you should work on that company for 4 years. If you want to break that bond, you should pay 4 lakh. Okay, that is what the condition which has been given by the company. So that's why I just restricted. I haven't taken the offer. So I haven't taken the HR round, because I am really super confident if I'm attending that HR round, I'll be selected, but I rejected that. So that is what the journey shift which has been happened. And after completing my degree, I directly came into Pantech. And now after that Pantech journey, I used to talk a lot more stuff. For an example, the technology like brain computer interface technology, which Elon Musk is also working by through the company called Neuralink, and embedded system design, where I used to work on a lot of electronics projects as well as the products, where in some of the colleges we used to deploy IoT based devices and some grids which we guys have implanted. So with the help of IoT and embedded systems and Internet of Things, and parallelly I used to work with data science and AI. And in between, for some more months, I've worked on some blockchain technology as well. And at the past, I also worked on some autonomous robot design, where in YouTube channel as well, that video which is already present, we guys have created autonomous robot by using robotic operating system with the help of MATLAB and with the help of Python, with the help of some basic embedded system. So these are all about my journey, and you are learning from me. Yes, me myself, Sanjay, and I'm a product manager. So now you just see the journey. So not suitable for college or company, because in my I used to remember some things. Even my faculty came to me and who used to ask, did you get cleared your computer science exam, computer science paper, or some electronics paper? That is the person who are you people are looking out me, but that has been converted into a product manager, right? That is really awesome thing, right? So I have some transition. So how many of you people really wanted to have that transition, even though you have got above 9%, 9 CGPA, or even though you have got more than 10 arrears? Because if you are looking out me, my history of arrears is also gonna be really more than, I think, so around 7 to 8, I think so. So this is what my journey, but now I got a confident that I can apply for any job or whatever it is. So now I'm a product manager. How many of you people really wanted to have or have an idea about how the transition has been made, and how many of you people really wanted to know? So if you really wanted to know, you just post I wanted Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so how many of you people really wanted to have a transition, that to become from the normal person to the like advanced position? So always I used to tell something: don't just keep your mind thought, Sanjay, if I got a chance to work as like a normal developer or tester, guys, please don't keep that as your aim or that is your goal. Try to keep your goal as to become a company CEO, or try to start up a company to bring that into 1,000 crores company. So try to think on that way. Try to always think big. Okay, so whatever you really want in your life, just learn that mindset. Always think big. Okay, yes, a lot of people are posting that I wanted. That's really awesome. Yes, so that is what the thing, guys. Okay, so just keep in your mind, whatever the situation you are, whatever the department you are, and even though you are zero in programming, even though you haven't done any AI project or you haven't worked on any AI, and you at least you really don't know what is the difference between AI or data science or machine learning or deep learning and natural language processing, and if you really not knowing whatever these stuffs, so don't worry about it, because this 30 days is going to be completely from the scratch. Okay, it is going to be completely from the scratch, which is going to be start from a basic Python installation from it, and advanced thing where we are also going to move on to deep learning, natural language processing, and etc. Okay, so if you are really excited, and if you are ready for it, you just post RTG Sanjay in your live chat, which is ready to go. So just leave RTG Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so just RTG Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that's really great. Okay, okay, that's really awesome. Okay, so it's awesome. Okay, it was supposed to start from 7:30. Okay, Rahul Achera. Okay, I think some mishappening has been done. I think so, which is 7:30. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, RTG. A lot of people are posting RTG. Okay, so it's really great. Okay, so that's awesome. Okay, I'm really sorry for that, guys. I think the event has been preponed. I think we haven't sent you any notification or anything regarding this event. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, so Victor, great. Okay, that's really awesome. Sanjay, please start the session. Motivation word. So sorry about it, because some miscommunication has been happened. The live which has been started earlier, which is around 15 minutes are there nearly. I'm really sorry for that. Okay. Yes. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, Naman Bath, for posting. All right, sir. Yeah, so guys, if you guys have any questions regarding this, you just post your questions in the live chat. And ASDC is asking my CGPA. My CGPA is, while I'm leaving, I think so, which is 6 point, sorry, it is 7.5, I think so. Yeah, 7.5. That is what my CGPA is. Okay. So yes, and if you guys have any question, until let us wait for few minutes, guys. I'm really sorry for that. So let us interact a lot. Okay. So you just give your comments like whatever you really want. Just give your questions in the live chat, guys. Okay. Please raise your questions. Okay. So please raise your questions in the live chat. And don't worry about the algorithm, because on each and every day we are going to learn about the algorithms as well. But for mathematics behind the algorithm, we're going to have individual session for it. Don't worry about it. Okay. The college which is present in Madurai, actually. Love to code official. Please don't spam for the attendance link, because attendance link, don't, if you are really coming for attendance, this place is really not for you. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, so please do completely focus on the session itself. Okay, ASDC, CGPA is important. I'm the real-time example. Like while talking about my story, I used to have attendance around 65% attendance. I won't go to college that much. So 65% attendance, and 65 to something, I think so. And also, and my CGPA is 7.5, which is really just a mess, because like on my last semester, I used to rush up a bit. I haven't studied that much, but like I've cleared out on some way. But now my journey was like I've passed out in the year of 2018. So from after the 2018 and 2009, on the 2018, I am just directly gone as like a developer. I haven't applied for any testing department or so those things. I directly applied for the developer, and I got selected. And after within a few years, I think so, I got promoted into senior developer. So and then I just promoted as a product manager. And soon, I think so, I'm going to get promoted for other postings. So definitely, I'm going to update in the LinkedIn. Okay, definitely, I'm going to update in the LinkedIn. Don't worry about it. Okay. So Anvesh, I'm from a science background. I have recently completed my MBA in finance and marketing. Will this course be relevant for me? Guys, whenever you are considering about machine learning or some things, you are going to solve a certain problem with the help of artificial intelligence. Right? So if you really want to combine AI with your learning part, so definitely this session is gonna be really helpful for you. Okay, so guys, lot of people's very biggest problem or very biggest mistake is they are not combining AI with their learning process. Lot of people. So let me tell you some best example. In our company, we used to have some copywriter. He suddenly lost his job just because of he is not upgrading himself, because he is not ready to use AI. He used to tell, or the person used to tell, like, I can do it without help of AI. So that is really not a thing. So as a company, we expect our output need to be better. Our performance, the output or the results which we are going to get from the work which has been done by the employee, which is needed to be higher. So if that is only thing needed, I won't ask, or I won't tell like you should not use AI. Whatever the thing you should use, but my results, that is what really important thing. So you might be from any department. You might be from business, you might be from automation, you might be from electronics or electrical. Try to combine AI. That is what the challenge. So no one will teach you this is what AI with these things. So yeah, some people will teach you, but like you should try to combine that AI with this. So that is what the very important thing. Okay. Yes. Guys, please, if you are rushing for the attendance, this is not a right place for you. You can leave the session. I really don't want those people. I really want the people who are really coming for learning, right? So I really want only those people. Okay, our syllabus, please. Okay, how many of you people really wanted to know what are all the project you are really going to work on? Just what you just do is you just visit your description. there are a lot of projects which you are going to develop, which is advertisement sale prediction, salary estimation, character recognition, Titanic survival prediction, handwritten digit recognition, and the classification model selections for breast cancer classification, house price prediction, and etc. etc. There are tons and tons of projects which we are going to do it on our upcoming days. I hope you all ready and excited. Yeah, so I'm really sorry, guys. A lot of people used to think, Sanjay, why you are talking without discussing about AI or machine learning? Because what is the thing is the time has been prepondered. I'm really sorry for that. So I think on the hurry, I used to start this live, right? You know, like on the hurry, I used to start the live on 7 a.m. 7 p.m. itself. I'm really sorry for that. Let us wait for just a few minutes to people join. Okay. So yes. I'm also asking my team to post it in the live chat that live is being started very soon. So but it has been still hold for you. So please sorry for that inconvenience. Please my team, please post it in the live chat. Okay. Prerequisites for the course, please, Sanjay. Actually, Mamidi, don't worry about the prerequisites. If you are having a laptop with you, you can practice it with me. If you don't have a laptop with you, take your notes. Okay, that is what the only thing. Other than that, I'm not going to ask you. You should be already having a knowledge on Python, even completely to how to install the Python. So from that, I'm going to start it from the scratch. Don't worry about it. Okay. And while talking about the reinforcement learning, definitely in our series, we have a session. Don't worry about it. Okay, don't worry about it. Your LinkedIn ID, please. Please, my team, please post my LinkedIn ID in the live chat so that you can click the link and you can join me. Okay. Pugalendi, I need internship. Okay, so definitely we'll talk about it later. Is it possible to do all the project in 30 days? Yes, which is because a lot of people are completely starting from the scratch. So we are planned on each and every day there are some projects. So one day there is one project by using one algorithm. On the another day we are going to use another project with another algorithm. So for that data set we are going to face different problem. So we are going to solve that different problem by using different techniques. So that is what is all gonna be. Okay. Okay, so how many of you people are really excited for this 30-day series? If you are excited for this 30-day series, you just post, I'm excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. Victor, starting from the scratch is the best way to go. Good job. Thank you so much. Thank you. Vrindavan, thank you. And yeah. Guys, please don't spam for the attendance. If you are coming for the attendance, this is not a right place for you. This is only for the people who are all on the field of AI. And yes, so until this time, so shall we discuss about Nvidia? So how many of you people really know about Nvidia, guys? Because why I'm talking about this is, even though you are an embedded developer or electronics or electrical, nowadays Nvidia is playing a huge role on deploying AI application in the hardwares and those stuff. Okay, so while talking about their products and their solution, you just see here on the product, there is a category called embedded system. So on that embedded system, here we have different boards like Jetson, Drive AGX, Clara AGX. Likewise, there are a lot of development board which has been there. So on the Jetson series itself, there are a lot of things like Jetson Orange, Jetson Orin NX, Jetson Nano, Jetson Xavier, Jetson Xavier NX, Jetson TX2. So kind of lot of development boards are there. So whenever you wanted to deploy artificial intelligence application in the real time, you need that kind of power, that kind of, like computational power. Because you just imagine one thing, if you are talking about, what to say, it's like Nvidia. So before that, we used to know about the Nvidia by just observing that is a graphics card for our laptop to accelerating our gaming. But nowadays, the Nvidia's net worth is really increasing a lot, not because only of gaming development or gaming acceleration, and also because of by manufacturing the workstation for artificial intelligence and the powerhouse, like the computational powerhouse which is present here, and hardware for self-driving cars. So likewise, everything like on the category of AI, if it need to be deployed in a real time, they are going with the hardware which has been manufactured by Nvidia. So that is what the real reason of Nvidia's network is really going very high, just because of the artificial intelligence the combination of AI and the hardwares. Okay, is it really interesting, guys? If it is interesting, you just post interesting Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so the real session is gonna be start around 7:30, and which is gonna be around 90 to more than 90 minutes, since it is a fast day. But other than that, rest of the 29 days, which is gonna be 1 hour session. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, so guys, is it interesting for you? Do you really loving this? If you're really loving this, you just post I'm loving this Sanjay in your live chat. So apart from the technical thing, I really wanted each and every people wanted to know about something new. Apart from the technical, try to subscribe for some magazines, try to subscribe for some newsletters, try to learn a lot. You just see, so announcing Nvidia MGX is there. So only now I'm just watching this, the fastest, most flexible way to something, okay, which has been there, okay, which is H100 GPU set standard and generative AI. So Nvidia is also bringing up the generative AI like ChatGPT. You know, like that is really awesome. The fastest, most flexible way to bring accelerated computer to any data center. Yes, the people who are all having data centers, that is gonna be maintained with the help of this MGX. That is really awesome. Okay, so is it going interesting, guys? If you are really seeing this for the first time, you just post first time Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, Vrindavanam, take 2 hours a day, all covers all the things. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yes, it's really great. What is the today plan, Sanjay? By Shivanandan. Actually, what is the today plan is? Today, I'm gonna be giving you the mind like clearing clarity, because a lot of people are not aware about what is data science, data analytics, why they are getting higher paying salary, and what is the real problem, what they are really doing, and what are the skills you need to master, what is the roadmap to become a data scientist, and what are all the opportunities are there. If I want to work on autonomous robot with the AI, what are all the studies you need to make? And if I'm from biomedical engineering or biotechnology engineering, how I can learn AI to do that. So likewise, we are going to it is going to be like eye-opening session to give you the clarity about different individual opportunities and different individual concepts and studies. So that is going to be the session. Okay, so I hope you all ready. Yes, so time is going to be start very soon. So we're going to start in a very few minutes, guys. And before going further, I would like to thank you. So why this thank you is because since even the session has been pre-poned, there is not even a single negative message. You have started the live very soon, or like it is not good. So I haven't seen not even a single negative message in the live chat. First of all, thank you so much for having this positivity within you. That's really awesome thing. So you won't really know what is the power of that positivity, but I really know that. So thank you so much for being so positive in this life. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so can you elaborate a high level knowledge on AI ML? Definitely we are going to start it. Don't worry, very soon. We are going to start it very soon. And short tuber, you don't want to post I am present, don't want to post it. Okay. So when our first project is starting, which is starting tomorrow. Okay, so we are going to start it very soon. Okay, so tomorrow or day after tomorrow. How it will use in healthcare sector? There are a lot of ways you can manufacture the mechanical or medical equipment, which is going to be powered by AI. Even if you really wanted to know, how many of you people really know eye hospital, which is present in Madurai, which is really world popular eye hospital, where there are some machineries which is capable of AI to analyze the images of diabetic retinopathy, which is like there will be a blood leakage in your eyeballs. How many of you people really know that? Guys, is these talks interesting? You just post interesting. Otherwise, I will avoid these these talks. Okay, so wait a minute. Diabetic retinopathy. These are all like, some of the blood leakage will be happening in the eyeballs. Okay, so which is needed to be detected. You just see here the red colored dots which is present here, right? So these are all like diabetic retinopathy, where it is really a huge risk where the patient will lose their vision. So these kind of analysis which has been happened, or this is going to be analyzed with the help of the machines like this, which is already present in Aravind Eye Hospital, which is present in Madurai. Okay, so these are all the things where AI is playing its huge role. So we are unaware about it. That is what the very important thing. So yeah, so these are all the things. Okay, interesting. That's really awesome. Akindele, please speak normal English. Okay, definitely I'll reduce my face. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. So these are all the things. So if you are working in a real time with the help of combination of AI with your learnings, that is gonna be super awesome. Okay. Okay. So these are all the things, guys. Okay. Okay. Can I add this project to my resume based on how much strong you are in the certain topic? Definitely you can do it. Santana. Yeah, it is really interesting because it's my project, early reduction of diabetic retinopathy. That's really awesome. There are a lot of project builders are there. That's really awesome. Guys, are you guys all ready? So if you're all ready, just leave one fire emojis or something in the live chats. Okay, are you guys all ready? So if you're all ready, just leave thumbs up or some live emojis, or sorry, some love emojis or some fire emojis in the live chat. Yes, time has been started, which is 7:30. So other people who are all coming new to this time. So in this time, let me tell you something. So the live has been accidentally preponed. With the hurry, I just started this live on 7 p.m. itself. First of all, please accept my apologies for starting the live on 7 p.m. or itself. But let me tell you something. We haven't covered anything in detail in this 30 minutes. We guys used to interact a lot. So nothing has been happened. You haven't missed the session. Don't worry about it. Okay, you just start the live right now and you can begin this journey. So thank you so much. Yes, the fire and love emojis which is rushing up in the live since the time has been started, which is 7:30. I felt really happy. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for this super interaction. Yeah, so these are all the things we guys have discussed. For the people who are used to tell I have missed a lot, let me show you the slide. This is slide number 1, this is slide number 2, this is slide number 3, and this is slide number 4, and this is my slide number 5. So in the slide number 5, I haven't told that much big story, which is a short story where I'm the person who used to get a lot of arrears in my college days, in my school days. That person who just been transformed into another person, so who used to do a lot of projects in the technology which a lot of people are unaware about, even like brain computer interface technology and some of other technologies like embedded system, IoT, data science, AI and blockchain, very short span of time, and robotic operating system, autonomous robot design. And now I am the product manager of this Pantech.ai, and also I'm going to get another promotion very soon. I have already got some information. It's not officially confirmed, but yes, very soon I'm going to update in the LinkedIn. Don't worry about it. And that person who used to have more than 10 areas, and that person specifically converted into a product manager. So it is not only about the technical skills. Again and again, I'm telling you, this is not only about your technical skills. Okay. So apart from the technical skills, you need a lot more things. Okay. So again, I'm telling you guys, only technical skills will not bring me into a product manager in this journey. So definitely I might be a normal developer or junior or senior developer. I haven't been as like a product manager if I'm only good at skill set. That is what the very important thing I used to always tell to my student. Always dream big. Whatever you really want in your life, don't try to dream like normal thoughts and those stuff. Try to always dream big to become a product manager or project manager and CTO of a company or CEO of a company, or like founder of a company who brought the company to 100 to 1,000 crores. So these are all the things which I really want people to think about it. Okay, don't just restrict yourself. If I'm working in a company with good decent salary, that's okay for me. Don't restrict yourself. Always dream big. Okay, if you are also going to dream big, you just post dream big Sanjay in your live chat. So, or you just post dream big, the keyword dream big. Okay, so let us begin the session. So always I used to leave all my credits and all my thanks to our founder, Mr. Jivarajan sir. So he is our founder of all the company which you have already watched, that like the Pantech.ai and Pantech Pro Labs, Pantech Solutions and Warriorsway. So he is our founder who started these companies and who is really running very well. So my guru, this is the person who just brought me in the journey, who used to teach me about the mindset and not only the skills is enough for the people. So every credits to my Guru Deva. All right. So yes. So thank you so much, Jivarajan. On behalf of you, I would like to thank him as well. And that's why I'm telling you. So if I can do it, then you can most definitely do it. Okay. So let us begin the series first of all. Let me reveal the first secret. Try and choose your niche. So why I'm dropping the try word is, this is your learning time, guys, because you might be from schools, you might be from company, so you might be from any stage, but always try to try everything. Okay. So what is the thing is, first of all, let us discuss about the opportunities based on data or problem and solutions. Okay, on the field of AI and data science and data analytics, let me talk about some very important thing. Number one, how many of you people really wanted to love to work on image or video data, where you need to work on the concepts such as computer vision and deep learning, whereas you will be building the projects like medical image analysis. If you are from biomedical department or biotechnology department, you used to work in manufacturing the like the equipment which is powered with the help of AI. So like that is what the thing. So that is what the technology. How many people really wanted to work on that? And second thing, satellite image analysis. So this is the image which has been acquired by the satellite, where you can able to label that image like these are all roads, these are all buildings, these are all water, these are all like these are all agriculture field. So likewise you can label it, like you can do the ground truthing and you can able to label, you can do the prediction. These are like image or video data as well. And then plant leaf disease detection. It might be plant leaf disease detection or like based on the leaf diseases. For an example, if the diseases were anthracnose, late blight or dark blight, based on the plant leaf diseases, we can pass the pesticides based on the diseases. So this is what the another project which you can work on. And autonomous robots, it is also really awesome thing. Like autonomous robot means where you will be building some autonomous robot which is going to avoid the cars, which is going to detect the lane, which is going to detect the traffic lights and stop signs detections and detecting the pedestrians. So these are all the projects which you can work on. So now you tell me, how many of you people are really interested to work on image or video data? If you are interested, you just post I'm interested, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so there are a lot of people have already done a project. So Aishwarya have done a biomedical project, and Mohammed Azad are doing some project on deep learning. That's really awesome. So guys, how many of you people really wanted to work on image or video data? If you really want to work on image or video data, just give your comments in the live chats. Okay, you just imagine. Let me list down some of the project: emotion detection, face detection, face recognition, traffic light detection, road sign detection, road lane detection and classification, road lane detection and tracking, and pedestrian detection, vehicle detection, and brain tumor detection, lung cancer detection, breast cancer detection, and even COVID-19 detection, and plant leaf disease detection, and like satellite images analysis, and segmentation, object detection, and the custom object. For an example, if you are having this wire cutter and you're having some relay modules, you can able to do this classification as well. If you are having a conveyors and rotten fruit versus the good fruit detection, and so likewise you have tons and tons of project which is based on one core data data type, which is image or video. Whenever there is an image or video concept, what is the AI concept or AI branch which you need to master? Computer vision and deep learning. Okay, so guys, is it insightful? If it is really like completely from the scratch, if you're really loving it, you just post loving this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, whenever there is an image data, what is the concept you need to master? You need to master computer vision and deep learning. Are you all satisfied? Additionally, machine learning is also going to be there. Just add it. Okay, but computer vision and deep learning and machine learning is going to be really very important thing which is needed. Okay, so if you really like it, you just give love this emojis or love this comment in the live chat, guys. That is what this first concept, computer vision and machine learning or deep learning. Okay, then if your data contains text or audio data, okay, so text or audio data, so the applications such as like fake news detection and Twitter sentimental analysis, like how many people really remember, like Twitter have recently, like it's not recently, so Twitter automatically blocked the tweets of the president of America, right? So that is what the very important thing. So these are all the things. So whenever you are posting something in a social medias, the social media can able to detect whether it is a fake news or real news, whether it is a violent type or normal type, or is it so like that type, it can be able to be detected because we are doing a text analysis. Okay, that's what the first application. And second application, chat GPT is here, which is completely a language based model. So whatever the question which you are asking, it is understanding and it is replying from the knowledge which has been gained by using a machine learning stuffs. That is what the chat GPT. And if you are building a voice assistant, it might be like Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, so voice assistants and voice assistant devices. So if you are really looking for those type of devices and modules, that you can able to build it up with the help of this concept, this the data, text or audio data. And for an example, if you want to create a chatbots, as well as you're going to have the data like text or audio data. So these are all the things. So additionally, for an example, if you are talking about ALS patient, how many of people really know about ALS patient? So ALS patient is nothing but amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, where they can't able to talk properly. They are completely paralyzed. Like if they want to read this, they'll be reading like this. It's just a best. This is just an example. They'll be reading like, not sure wrong way following. Like they can't able to pronounce it properly. It might be look funny, but you just imagine their tongue got paralyzed. They can't able to talk properly. Okay, the pronunciation which is not going to be clear. So which is going to be like this. Text over audio data. Not sure wrong way. Like the pronunciation which is not going to be clear. So what you can do, you can collect the database of each and every basic words like food, water, restroom, bring me out, and give me medicine. I'm not feeling well. Bring me to the doctor. So these are all some basic words where paralyzed people used to talk, right? So if that is the word, you can record the voice of that patient, like water. So for water, food. So for food, and restroom. So for restroom. So likewise, you can map into the proper word, and you can able to collect all the audio sample of that patient, and you can deploy machine learning or deep learning there. Additionally, you need to deploy the concept called natural language processing, and you will create the model to solve their problem. So you'll be creating an application or some device, and if that patient is talking like this, text or audio data. So if they are talking like this, that device will automatically tell text or audio data. So guys, how many of people really thinking it's awesome? So if you are really thinking it's awesome, you just post it's awesome Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so that is what the very important thing. So like you can work with text or audio type of data when you need to master the concepts such as NLP. So NLP is the very important concept for language kind of application. So which is natural language processing. You will be learning very in detail very on the upcoming days. Don't worry about it. But additionally, machine learning and deep learning is also going to be necessary. Okay, Krishna Patel, thank you. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting awesome. Thank you so much, guys. So this is what the text audio data. So how many of you people really wanted to choose this field? Guys, again, I'm telling you, Sanjay is telling this or the audio or text data. So directly I'm going to choose that. Don't do that. You should try everything. Try to do everything. Try to do a project on everything and choose which you really love most and which has more opportunity as well. Okay, that's what the very important thing. And then let us go for the third very important, and the people who are getting higher salary, right? So data analysis or to provide a business solution where there are a lot of terms people used to talk about. Sanjay, my neighbor or my friends or my colleagues used to talk about data analyst, data scientist, business analyst. But I really don't know what is the difference between data analyst or data scientist. I really don't know what is the difference between data analyst or business analyst. How many of you people are having these confusion? If you are having these confusion, you just post yes, I have Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so if it is really like having that confusion, you just post yes, I'm Sanjay, yes, Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, Jaideep, thank you so much for the love which you are giving, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, that's really great. Okay, so yes, so before going further, I'm asking my team to create some poll for like I love or I moderately love the session. Okay, so likewise, just try to create some poll like to ask the people whether they are really loving the session or they are medium about loving the session or not. Just my team, I'm asking my team to post it in the create as like a poll in the like live. Okay, so yes, these are all the thoughts. Yes, a lot of people are posting yes, I have a confusion. Yes, I have a confusion. Yes, a lot of people are posting yes, Sanjay, yes. So there is a happy news for you. If you are attending this session for further more minutes, you are going to get the 100% clarity on that. And whenever the people are asking some questions, you can able to answer that very clearly. Okay, so that is what really waiting for you. So are you all ready for it? So if you are ready for it, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. And I'm going to give you around 1 minute break. Okay, so 1 to 2 minutes break. So what you just do is, guys, you just write or you just give a response to your poll. Okay, so just give your response to your poll. So let me I will be back within a minute. Okay, so please be engaging, guys. Hello guys, I'm back. So I hope you all ready. So if you are ready, just give your comments in the live chat. Yes, there are some of the 14% of PvP people who are all thinking it is moderate. Don't worry, I'll be satisfying you into the extent like loved it a lot. Okay, yes. So let us begin this journey. So first of all, while talking about the hierarchy, now I'm not going to explain you what is ML, what is DL, and what is this stuff. But just first of all, understand the hierarchy. Then we'll go in depth. Okay, just see the hierarchy, guys. Here we have one biggest circle, which is artificial intelligence. So inside that artificial intelligence, we have a machine learning. Inside that machine learning, we have a deep learning. So this is the one of the biggest circle which we have. On the other hand, we have another biggest circle, which is a data science. And inside the data science, we have data analytics. Inside the data analytics, we have a data mining. On the another hand, we have a big data under another circle. So you just see machine learning and deep learning is the subset of AI. And data analytics and data mining is the subset of data science. And it does not mean that data science is without machine learning because the circle has been intersected. So even if you're talking about AI, which is going to have some part from the data science, especially data analytics, it might be, or data science, it might be. So which is going to have that circle, and big data, which is going to be a part of it. So everything which is going to be interlinked. Guys, how many of you people have got an idea about what is the hierarchy, how it has been interlinked? So if you have got an idea, you just post one bulb emojis in the live chat, guys. So how many of you people have got an idea? So if you have got an idea, just give one bulb emojis in the live chat. Okay, just to represent or just to show like what is it? It's like you have cleared about these basic concepts. Okay, so if you are really clear about that, you just give your bulb emojis in the live chat, because this is really representing the hierarchy, like how everything has been interlinked. So if someone is asking machine learning means, so machine learning is nothing but a subset of artificial intelligence, and deep learning is the subset of the machine learning. So that is what is all about. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this. Okay, so shall we move on further? So with your permission, shall I move further, guys? Okay, so that's really great. Okay, now Let us talk about an example. So how many of you will really love an example? So now after crossing the example, you will get a clear idea. Don't worry about it. Okay. So now you just imagine in your nearby your house, there is some restaurant. Okay. For an example, if you are living in Pune or like Hyderabad or Tamil Nadu or Kerala, so wherever you are living in, there is some restaurant nearby your house, which has been started in the year of 2005. On the 2005, restaurant ran very well, which is like there are huge sales, which is really well. Okay. So that person have maintained all the transaction data. The transaction data is like how many chapatis were being sold, how many dosas were being sold, how many idlis were being sold, how many rotis were being sold, and the people's rating, and what is it? The chef's information, the chef rating or dishes rating, the dishes which is corresponding to the chef. So likewise, every data that restaurant owner really performed, really maintained very well. Okay. So guys, are you all with me? So if you are with me, just leave. I am with you, Sanjay, in a live chat. Okay. So yeah. So that restaurant owner really happy on 2005 and maintained all the data properly. Now, in 2010, the restaurant is not running well. Okay. The sale is getting dropped. Okay. But even though the sale is getting dropped, he maintained all the data. Are you clear? Okay. Even though the restaurant really not running well, he maintained the data. How many chapatis are selling, the ratings and everything. He's just maintained the data. And in 2010, okay, so again I'm telling you, in 2010, what he just, on the same year, what he just did is, he used to fix the problem based on the assumption. So what is the assumption is, why the restaurant sale is really low? Okay, let us change this. Let us change the chef. Let us change the ambience. Let me change the dish. Let me add the dish. So likewise, that restaurant owner used to change lot more things by just doing an assumption. He's just assuming by himself. Okay. So likewise, he used to assuming lot of things, and he used to change lot of things in the business. But what is the very important thing is, in 2011, still sales are low, or sometimes even it is really gone very poor. As you are, how many people really wanted to start a company, guys? If you wanted to run a business or wanted to start a company, you just post, yes, I am Sanjay in your live chat. Because let me tell you something for those people. If you are starting up a company, or you are a marketing manager, or you are a CDO of a company, or you are a CEO of a company, always remember one thing. You should not make emotional decisions. You should always make a data-driven decisions. Okay. So on the data-driven decision, so on the 2000 level, so there's still the sales were really gone low because he used to make a lot of, like assumption-based decision. But in 2000, on 2011 or something, he used to recruit some person. That person is being called as data analyst or business analyst or data scientist team. Okay, whatever you can call it in the way. Marketing team with a combination of data analyst. Marketing team is also going to be there, because this restaurant, I'm not talking about the roadside the vehicle kind of restaurant. I'm talking about the very biggest lot of franchise based business restaurants. Okay, so what he just did is, he just recruited one team for doing analysis. That team includes data analyst, that team includes business analyst, that team includes data scientist. So that is what that is what he just did. So what that team will do is, that team will bring all the existing data from 2005 to from 2011. That team will bring all the data, because you just imagine, if you are running a business, so from the all franchisee, you have maintained the data. That data might be kept in hard disk. That data might be kept in Google Drive. That data might be kept in, that data might be kept in some databases. So that data might be kept in anywhere. And some data might be in Excel file. Some data might be CSV file. Some data might be in a notepad file. So likewise, a lot of things which is going to be there, right? So every data with a patient, that much of patient, these people will collect all the data and they'll create some awesome dashboard. Let me show you some difference. Okay, so these are all the sample data will looks like. Okay, you just see here. So guys, you guys tell me, can you able to tell me some information from this data? If your answer is yes or no, you just give your comments in the live chat. Okay, so can you able to tell any like difference? But what that people will do is that team will collect this whole data and they'll be converting the data into some awesome dashboards. For an example, that people will collect the data and they'll be creating the awesome dashboard like this. So from the dashboard, they can able to make an amazing decisions. Okay, so this rating were very poor. So ambience's rating were very poor when comparing with 2000, what the year? 2005. So we'll change that. So likewise, whatever the single decision they want to make the decision based on the insights which has been given by this team. So then in 2012, he used to fix all the problem by based on the data which he is getting. Tada! Finally, the business is going to run very well. So guys, how many of you people are really thinking it's mind blowing? So this is what the role of those team. Next step, I'll be explaining what is the difference between data analyst, business analyst, data scientist. But now, this is the third opportunity which I talked, right? You're going to solve a business problem. You might be a data analyst, you might be a data scientist, you might be a data business analyst. So this is what the role where you are going to solve a business problem. You just imagine one thing. You are working in a company which is already like a 5 crore company or 10 crore company. So you are solving that business problems by giving the clear insights so that the company is making the decision by based on the data which you are giving. And that 10 crore company which has been shifted to 20 crore company, then what about the salary? Yes, which is going to be given to you. Hope you clear. Okay, so hope you are super satisfied with my explanation. This is why these people are getting higher salary than compared to some of the normal software based company. Okay, so how many of people really thinking it's mind blowing? So this is what it's all about. Now, let me tell you some clear difference about something. So now you will have a confusion, Sanjay. Okay, I am now clear about what these people are doing. They are going to get the data and they are going to get the insight and they are going to make a decision, which is going to be really helpful to improve the business. That's okay. But what is the difference between them? How many of people are having this confusion? If you are having this confusion, you just post yes, Sanjay, in live chat. Guys, people, if you are rushing for the attendance, if you are just attending for the certificates and attendance, please leave the session. Guys, this place is not really for you. Okay, so yes. So now, let me explain you another thing. What is the question is, Sanjay, what is that difference? Let me tell you. If you are talking about, let me group one thing. Data analyst and business analyst as a one group. And data scientist, let us keep as like an individual thing. So, you just imagine this data analyst and business analyst. What they'll be doing is, they'll analyze the whole complete past data, which is from 2005 to 2011. From only the past data, they'll be creating a dashboard, they'll be doing a data visualization, and they'll be making a decision. That is what the role of data analyst and business analyst. Are you clear? If you are clear with the first part, you just post C1 Sanjay Nialacha, which is clear one Sanjay. Then, if a person who is going in depth on the business, on involving on marketing, involving on campaign creation, on involving on business audience interest, so those people are going to be called as business analyst, where they'll be going very in depth on the business. So that is what the difference between the data analyst and the business analyst, but both of the people are going to analyze the whole complete past data from the past to the present data, and they'll be creating a dashboards. They'll be getting the insights from the past data. Those people are said to be a business analyst or data analyst. You are clear, you just post C1 Sanjay Nila chat. Again, I'm telling you, the people or the persons who are all analyzing the whole complete past data and they are getting an insights and they are making a decisions, those people are said to be a what is it? Like data analyst. Okay, that's what the first part. And there is another part, the people are said to be a data scientist, where they are also going to analyze the future. They are going to predict the future as well. If the sales are going like this, what is going to be the future sales? What is the future stock price? It is not going to be really accurate, but they are going to work on more on a model comparing with the data visualization. So that is what the role of data scientist. Are you clear with the second part? If you are clear with the second part, you just post C2 Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, are you clear? So that is what the thing, guys. Okay, so if you really wanted to just do a past analysis, want to create a dashboard like this, graph like this, chart like this, insight like this, you are being called as a data analyst or business analyst. Data analyst will stick into the data. They are not going to go very in depth on the business, but business analyst will go on. So that is what the data analyst and business analyst. On the other hand, data scientist will go in depth on the creating the model. When comparing with the visualization, they'll be creating the model to predict the future. So that is what the role of data scientist. So how many of you people are super satisfied? If you are super satisfied, just leave one thumbs up, some love emojis in the live chats. Okay, are you clear? So if you are clear, just leave one thumbs up emojis or some love emojis in the live chat, guys. That's really awesome. That's really great. So Akansha saying, okay, sir, that's a lot of people are posting C2, C2, C2. That's really awesome. That is what the thing, guys. That is what the difference between data analyst and business analyst and data scientist, where the salary which is going to be offered is also going to be high. On the other hand, you can also add another one thing as well. For an example, if you are really working in creating some softwares, applications like ChatGPT or kind of etc., that salary packages is also going to be high. So from these options, which is your favorite? So of course, again, I'm telling you, don't choose one thing. Try and choose your favorites. Okay. So you try to work with a lot of image projects, try to work with a lot of text and audio projects, try to work with analysis of other business problems and try to bring up some solutions for that business. So try to learn everything, guys. Okay. So business data scientists will help to predict the future. They'll be creating more models on predicting the futures. Okay. So how many of people really love this? If you really love this, you just post I loved this Sanjay in your live chat and just leave thumbs up or love emojis in the live chat. Okay. So now another very important thing. How many of you people really wanted to? So up to now, we guys have gone through something. Still now, we haven't gone for the hands-on. Don't worry about that. From tomorrow, you will be feeling mind-blowing on the hands-on. I'm really sorry for making to be theoretical on the first day, because from the day 2 itself, your practical days is gonna be started. So from the day 2 to day 30, that is not gonna be like more theoretical. It is gonna be around 98 or 99% practical and 1% theoretical. So I'm really sorry for that. Please accept my apologies for making theory on the first day. Okay. So now, how many of you people really wanted to learn this stuffs like 10 times higher? Okay. How many of people really want 10x than this? If you really want 10x than this, you just post 10x Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. How many of people really wanted to build the project in this way, in this kind of learning, this kind of, like this learning is really helpful for you. I really trust that. I believe that. So how many of you people really wanted to learn 10x than this? If you really wanted to learn 10x than this, you just post 10x Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, that's really awesome. A lot of people are posting 10x. Akshay 10x posting 10x. And Yamuna posting 10x. A lot of people are posting 10x, 10x, 10x. So for those people, I have another thing. So before going further, so these are all the roadmap. Let us discuss later. So to become a data scientist, these are all the roadmap. So what is the thing is, for the people who wanted to master like 10x, let me show you something. Okay, wait a minute. So the people who wanted to learn 10x, here we are providing this 30 days, 28 plus projects, this machine learning as an internship. So what is the difference between this YouTube webinar versus the internship is? In the YouTube webinar, you kind to watch it. Okay, there is not going to be any tracking, there is not going to be any video which is going to be given to you, there is not going to be any source code and data set which is going to be given to you. But it does not mean that I'm going to hide the program. I'm going to show you the program, you just want to see and you want to type it. But other than that, this internship is nothing but every 30 days of video recordings which is going to be kept in a portal. You can log in and you can watch that videos, and 28 plus projects you can build it by yourself, like the source code, data set, everything which is going to be given. And lifetime Warriorsway community, which is a private social media, let me show you, wait a minute. The private social media which we have, where you can participate in a lot of events and hackathons, and you can win some prizes and those stuff. This is the private social media. It is not a Telegram group kind of thing. It is like a private social media which we are offering. For an example, you just see here, there are a lot of people used to participate in the competition. You just see here, there are some event which is going on, custom object classification, Indian currency. You just see here, Benama Zagia is completing the task, and Brindavanam completing the task, and Krishna Kumar Agarwal completing the task, and Avinash completed, and Alabi completed. So likewise, there are a lot of tasks and a lot of event which is going to be conducted. This is the private community, so which you are going to get an lifetime access and unlimited weekly mastermind session. So what does that mean by that is, each and every Saturday morning 10:30 a.m. we used to conduct live sessions, which is not even a present in a course. That live session which we are going to conduct, that is going to be unlimited lifetime access. So that is also going to be absolutely free for you. And technical materials which includes PowerPoint presentation, mind map, source code, data set, everything which you are going to get with internship certificate. If you are attending in a YouTube, you are going to get webinar certificate, but in the internship, you are going to get internship B certificate. So the single course which we are offering, if you are visiting our website, so pantechsolutions.net, where we are providing every courses, like if you are visiting every courses, artificial intelligence course, which we are providing at the price of 1499 already as an offer, but the total value which is around 45,000, but we are providing at the price of 1499. Whatever the course which you are visiting, you can just check it out. So let me show you, like machine learning, so which is going to be discussing about the agendas which has been given. So the single course which has been provided at the price of 1499. Same as like we have artificial intelligence internship. It is not machine learning, it is artificial intelligence internship, where you'll be creating a chatbot, you'll be learning about Python, you'll be learning about machine learning and projects, and deep learning projects, NLP project, AI using cloud project, AI using hardware projects, more than 25 plus projects, which has also been provided at the price of 1499. And we are providing a third course, which is a data analytics course, where we are providing Excel, which is a roadmap for data scientists, that I'll tell you later. So Excel, statistics, business intelligence tools, Python, database, machine learning, deep learning. So which is the course which we are offering. And deep learning internship, which we are offering, which has been covered up with artificial neural network, convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network, and all the framework, which includes TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, MXNet. So which is like 10 times the value, right? So, and this course which you are offering at the price of 1499. And Python course which you are offering, which is a 10 days course, and 10 plus projects, and lifetime Warriorsway community, and same value, and internship certificate. This is the Python course, Python internship. So these are the 5 courses. How many of people are really experiencing like 10x value? If you are really experiencing 10x value, just post 10x again Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so these are all the stuffs we have. This 5 courses, like we are offering. And among these 5 courses, and another very important news is, this is my 5th year work anniversary with this Pantech.ai, Pantech Solutions, and Pantech Pro Labs. So this to celebrate this 5th year work anniversary, so what I'm doing is, I'm going to give you 2 offers. Number 1 offer is the machine learning internship, which you have, right? So at the price of 1499, which I'm going to provide at the price of 499 rupees. Okay, so I'm just going to ask my team to share the link right now. This is my number 1 offer, right, for getting this machine learning course. But before getting the single course at the price of 499, so this is all the agenda, right? So this 30 days of agenda, which completely I'm going to give that total value at the price of 1499, which I'm going to give at the price of 499. But other than that, I'm going to also give another offer for 5-in-1 data science or analytics internship, which includes the 5 courses, which is artificial intelligence course, machine learning course, data analytics course, and deep learning course, and Python course. 5 courses, just rupees of 999. Not even a single course, right? So this 5 courses as a combo, where you're going to get at the price of 999 only. Okay, this is what the offer. So let me ask my team to share the 5-in-1 combo link. Okay, so and what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to give the time limitation, where within before this live ends, So I'm going to delete this payment link. Okay, so I'm going to give you a 30-minute time. The people who are all interested, you just grab this time before it ends. So yes, wait a minute. Okay, so now shall we continue the session? So are you guys all ready for it? Okay, so what is the thing is, which is, okay, wait a minute, let me share it. Okay, let me put a 5-in-1 internship, which is 5-in-1 combo, just rupees of 999 rupees. Okay, I'm just giving only 30 minutes, just completely limited. So the people who wanted to register, just register as soon as possible, the link which has been given. If you have registered, you just post I registered Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, let us continue the session. So are you guys all ready? Are you guys all still with me? If you are with me, you just post I'm with you Sanjay in your live chat. So let us begin this. So while talking about the data science, you might have thought like there are a lot of tools and techniques which you need to master. So on that, let me reveal some roadmap to become a data scientist. So what are the skills you need to master to become a data scientist? So that's what I'm going to reveal it right now for you. So what is the thing is, number one, you need to master Excel. So a lot of people used to think Excel is the normal silly tool, but by using an Excel, you can do a lot of automations. Since I'm also working with a lot of automation, so Excel is the really great thing. So which you're going to offer a lot of automations, a lot of things you can do. The Excel is the number one thing which you need to master. And second thing, the statistical skills. How many of you people really remember mean, median, standard deviation, and etc.? So that skill which I'm going to offer again. So the statistical skills, which is really very important thing on building a machine learning algorithms and doing a data analysis. Statistical skills. And skill number 3, which is which we are offering as a programming. So while talking about a programming, there are different options. Number 1 is Python. Number 2 is the C++ is also there, and you might have R programming is also there. But my suggestion is to go with Python programming, which is very easy to deploy and easy to right. So that is what the Python programming which you need to master. Okay, so that is what the Python programming which you need to master. And then step 4, which is a data visualization skills. So data visualization skills where you need to, it's like creating awesome dashboards and awesome things. So these are all the things which you need to get. So like how to create an awesome dashboards, how to create graphical representation. So data visualization skills you need to get. And the NumPy and Pandas. So NumPy and Pandas, which are all the very important libraries on Python to handle the your data sets. So that is what the another skills. And business intelligence tools, which is Power BI and Tableau, which is most popular business intelligence tools, and also Google Data Studio. So the most popular BI tools. So that is also need to master. And database skills like MySQL and MongoDB, which has also been included. So which is you should also need to master. And machine learning. So machine learning, which is also a great thing which you need to master. Like, yes, we are already in the series where you'll be building a models to predict something. So that is what the machine learning. And deep learning, which we have, which is step number 9, the skill which you need to master. And finally, we have NLP. So these are all the roadmap to become a data scientist. Okay. So if you really want to take a snap of it, please take a snap of this, guys. Okay. So let me hide a face for a minute. Okay. Just take a snap of it. Okay. Yes, I've hidden my face. Okay. So yes, Digambar, congratulations, payment done. So guys, only 30 minutes. Okay, I'm going to deactivate the link very soon. Okay, the people who want to register, just register very soon. Okay, so yes. So what is the roadmap? Excel, statistics, programming, data visualization, NumPy and Pandas, BI tools, database, machine learning, and deep learning, and NLP. Okay, so please do it. Okay, so I've given the link in the live chat. So how many people really wanted to take a 10x value? Please take right now. And also this roadmap, please take a snap of it if you really want it, because if someone is asking what are the skills you need to master, this is the answer. Please take the snapshot of this. Okay, if you took the snapshot, you just post I took Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, please post I took Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so this is the roadmap: Excel, statistics, programming, data visualization, NumPy and Mandas, and some of the other libraries, and BI tools, which is business intelligence tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Google Data Studio, and a database like MySQL and MongoDB, and machine learning and deep learning and NLP. So these are all the things. Okay, and you might have some question, Sanjay, you have listed down a lot of things, and will I have an idea, will I can able to have a hands-on on Excel, statistics, will I have a hands-on on programming, will I have a hands-on on data visualization, will I have a hands-on on NumPy and Pandas, will I have a hands-on on Tableau and Power BI, will I have a hands-on on MySQL and MongoDB, will I have a hands-on on all of the machine learning algorithms, will I have a hands-on on all of the deep learning algorithms, will I have a hands-on on NLP? The answer is yes. The one and only thing you just want to do is, the link which is given in the live chat, you just click that link and register for that either 4-in or 5-in-1 combo at the rupees of 999 or single course at the price of 499. Okay, so Victor, I've took it. Congratulations. So guys, 26 minutes, I think, sorry, not at 26 minutes, it is around 23 minutes left. Okay, the people who want to register, this is the right opportunity. Just click the link and register for it. Okay, so let us continue the session. So while talking about the confusion, the people who have, number one is scare about programming. So how many of you people are belonging to this category, guys? Sanjay, whenever I'm starting from my school days, I didn't got connected with my programming languages. How many of you people are? So if you are, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat. Let us see the statistics, because I have a solution for you. Just tell me yes, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so Indu Divya, congratulations that you took. So guys, how many of you people are purchased? If you are purchased, you just post I did, Sanjay, in your live chat. It is really awesome thing. This is not going to be available. Okay, so that's really great. I'm scared. I am. A lot of people are posting I am. Guys, let me tell you something. First of all, initially, I also don't know anything about programming or AI or data science. There are different solutions which I've already told you. The turning point of my life, where when I started to work with project, I used to getting connected with the programming. That is what the very important thing I'm telling you. Because I'm telling you, my computer science faculty, I think in my regulation, we have a subject name called computer programming. So on my computer programming, my faculty directly came to me after the result has been getting announced. He used to ask the question, Sanjay, did you got passed in your computer programming in my paper? I told yes, which is not even a bigger degree or bigger CGPA, which is just E grade. E grade is just pass, right? That is what the grade which I got. But that person, you just see the transition. That person who faculty itself who came to me and asked whether you have cleared your or whether you have passed your computer programming or not. That much bad I am on the time. That is what the journey, that is what the start point. That person has been converted into a junior developer and to senior developer and to become a data scientist. And now I'm a product manager. That is what the journey. Is it amazing? If it is amazing, you just post yes, Sanjay, in your live chat. You know, so that is why I'm telling you one short hack, or I want to share you something like some short tips and some ideology. Let me share. Are you all ready to listen? If you are ready to listen, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, just give me the response RTL Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so yes, that's really awesome. RTL. Okay, so just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat. So point number one, whenever you are learning in your school days and college days, I'm not representing every college and I'm not representing every schools. I'm telling you, this is one of the very biggest possibility. Whenever your faculty or your teacher used to teach about the programming, most of the time I watched, that faculty will directly come to classroom and they'll be writing the program in the board. So especially if it is C++, they'll be writing the polymorphism code into like 3 columns of boards. They'll be occupying the whole complete board. And they'll be teaching this is that, this is that, this is that. Literally hate the subject. How many of you people are agreeing to this? If you all agreeing to this, you just post I agree Sanjay in live chat. Because I've also faced the same issue. Whenever on my school days, they used to write a programming on 3 pages or 3 columns on my board. When we saw that, we used to be blank. We used to be literally blank. I'm not talking about the person or people who are born programmer. From his childhood itself, from his hair or his or her, they used to be completely love the programming from the childhood itself. I'm not talking about that persons or that people. I'm talking about the rest of the majority of the people. Okay, so if you are one of the person who love the programming from your childhood, please don't get angry on me. Okay, I'm not talking about you guys. I'm talking about the majority of other people. Okay, so when faculties or the people used to use the whole board to write a single program, and who used to ask, okay, this is what the polymorphism. We literally hate the programming. That is what has happened to me as well. Okay, that is what really it is happening in me itself as well. Okay, so we used to literally hate that subject. Even whenever we are going for the laboratories to practice the source code, they have already kept everything in some files. So we used to click go to file and go to open, and we'll be opening the code, and this is that compile and fixing only like basic errors like comma and those stuff, and we got an output. Yes, we got an output. That's our laboratory class has been end. How many of you people are agreeing to this? Sanjay, I hate the programming only because of this reason. If you all agree, you just post I agree Sanjay in your live chats. Because let me tell you, my turning point is where up to my 3rd year, I haven't done any good programmings. Okay, even I haven't searched in internet. I haven't got connected with my programming because I hated my subject on my school days and those stuff, right? But in my 3rd year, I did a internship with this Pantech Solutions. Even I didn't got a permission. Do you know that story? I haven't got any permission with my colleges as well. I took a medical leave, and because in my 3rd year, I think some people won't approve 1 month internship. So I haven't got that opportunity as well. So that's why I took a medical leave, and I took an internship with Pantech Solutions for 1 month, I think so. So 1 month, as the initial stages, I've worked on 2 programming language. Number 1 is MATLAB, and number 2 is embedded C. So on the MATLAB, I used to work with brain-computer interface technology. Even in our website, we have that project which has been represented. So that is what the thing which I have done. Let me show you here. Wait a minute. So on the brain-computer interface technology, I used to work with some project. You just see here the project which has been priced at the price of 30,000. You know, so which is 4-in-1 application. One is brain control robotic car, brain control virtual keyboard, brain control emergency commands, brain control home automation. So this is what the project which I have done in my school days. Yes, this is me, guys. Yes, this is me. Don't laugh at me. Okay, yeah, this is me actually. So this is what the project which I've done in my 3rd year. Okay, so for final year, I think so some project, but out of this 4 application, I've did 1 project in my school days, you know, like that is what me. Okay, don't laugh at me, guys. Okay, yeah. So this is what I've did. So after while I'm doing practice on application wise, I used to get easily connected with the programming. That is why this complete 5-in-1 combo or whatever the course which you are learning from us, which has been framed based on the project wise. Even this 30 days is being based on application based learning. In the 30 days, you'll be building 28 plus project. My intention is not only to teach you the machine learning. My intention is also going to bring you that love towards programming, love towards AI, love towards machine learning. Hope you love to being here. If you are really love to being here, you just post love to being here, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay. Anukalp Kumar, self-promotion. It is not a self-promotion. I'm really, with the honesty, I'm telling you, it's not, my intention is not to tell you that, like doing some build-ups for myself. My intention is to tell you, the person who hate programming at initial stages, who used to have a possibilities of getting an arrear in computer programming, and who used to have a history of arrears around 10 papers, who just transformed into a product manager. That is what my intention. My intention is not to build up me. My intention is to tell you that the journey which I've gone through, and I'm here to help you to crack that as well. I'm not only going to make you or to keep your dream to become one developer in a company. I wanted to make you to bring or to become a product manager or any other the growth which you wanted to bring in a company. So you should do that. So you should achieve that. So that is the journey which I am helping you. Okay. Again, I'm telling you, only skill set is not going to make you HR manager or product manager or project manager. Apart from the skill set, you need a lot of things. You need a mindset, you need attitude, you need a team building, a lot of things which is really necessary. So that is what you will learn from our communities. Okay. So I hope you have got it. So if you have got it, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So if I can do it, then you can most definitely do it. That is what my intention. And second thing, I haven't learned properly in my college. Sanjay, I have wasted my degree. Even you are from electronics department. I wasted a lot of the stuffs. I haven't learned much. Even you are from computer science department. I haven't learned that much. Don't worry. Okay. Let me show you another best example. This is not me. Okay. This is one of our employee. Okay. So one of my colleague. So you know one thing, he completed only diploma. Okay. He didn't even completed his, he haven't gone to a bachelor's degree even. He just completed diploma. Because of his financial status, he used to work in supermarket. Guys, you just imagine, you just think and imagine what he will wear as a dress. He'll be wearing some, like half dress, like some sleeveless bunions, and he'll be like having some normal shorts, and he'll be completely off sweat. Okay. He used to carry like loads of fruits. Okay. So to the truck to the shop to the truck. So that is what his job. Okay, in his after completing his diploma, because of his financial status. Okay, and also he is from electronics and communication engineering in diploma, I think so. So that is what his work on that time after completing his diploma for 1 year, I think so. 1 year he used to carry the loads with his father. He used to work on that way, but he really thinking, I wanted to grow bigger. Okay. So what he just did is he joined Pantech as a soldering person. I hope you already know what is soldering, right? Just taking and putting up a lead and flex and putting up a soldering, just doing a soldering. Okay. He'll be putting a soldering for every board, because as you already know, we are a product based company, right? So we used to manufacture a lot of boards. So if you are visiting the products, so we used to manufacture a lot of boards like 8051 boards. So these are all the boards. So what he wanted to do is, wait, let me show you. So he will take this board. Okay, I hope you can able to see this. Wait a minute, let me show you. So he will take this board. Okay, he will take this board and he'll be converting this board into this board. So this is like a soldering. This is what his job role on that time. But that person, so initially with the Pantech Solutions, so Pantech Solutions approved to have the, by just seeing the interest, Pantech Solutions give a job opportunity to do the soldering, and he did the soldering. And after that soldering thing, he moved on to a testing, like hardware testing. He moved on to a testing engineer. After testing, he worked on Node MCU and Arduino. Like it is a easy programming, right? So he used to work on that stuff. And after that, he just moved on to 8051 and ARM boards. And also parallelly with Jivarajan sir, he used to work with DSP boards. Now he has also gone for another company with another additional high paying salary in 2023. It is inspiring, right? For me also, it is really inspiring for me. That is why I'm telling you, whatever the situation you are, you might be working as a security, you might be working as any person, but by seeing this story, you just understand one thing. Whatever the situation you are, how many of years you might have, try to thrive for it. Try to have the hunger inside yourself just to want to upgrade ourselves. So now you just imagine the comparison between like his past and his present. His past, he is just like carrying the fruits a lot and the dress and what he might have wore on the time. Now he used to wear the smartwatches, and recently he bought an iPhone. I think he just shared that photo to me. So that is what the journey. And with this permission, let me share his pictures on the next live session if it is possible. But that is what is the inspiring thing, right? So if it is really inspiring, you just post inspiring Sanjay in your live chat. So whatever the situation you are, you can also bring that journey yourself. And why high paying salary? So success is for the data analyst and data scientist is not only about if he is good at programming, he is not going to he's not going to get good salary. If he is only good at designer, he's not going to get high salary. If he is really good at math, he's not going to good salary. If he is really good at skills, he's not going to good. If he is only good at tools, he's not going to going to get good salary. Apart from it, what problem he is solving? So no one is going to pay you just to be good at a coding or math or tools or algorithm. They will pay you well to add tangible value to their business using your unique data science skills. Okay. If it is really makes sense, you just post make sense Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay. So that is what the very important thing. So if you are really good at mathematics, if you are really good at machine learning, if you are really good at programming, if you are really good at designing, you are not going to get high paying salary. Apart from it, how you are solving the business problem. Even though if you are knowing one person who is getting high paying salary, but he is not he is not doing lot more work. Okay. So he is not doing lot more work. So if that is the scenario, okay. So if that is the scenario, it is not going to be long lasted. If you want to be a long laster, if you want to improve your salary, if you want to have a high income, you should upgrade yourself. So you should be always strive for it. Even though you don't have enough work on a certain company, what is the first thing you should do is you should leave the company. Okay, for an example, if one company is giving you 40,000 and if you are working in some testing tool, what is the first thing you should do? You should leave the company because that is not good for your future. Okay. So guys, if you are listening this for the first time, you just post first time Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay. So successfully point classes for all by Professor Vijay. Professor Vijay, it is not a live, it is not a recorded, it is a live. Okay, I am here, I am reading your live. Okay, I am reading your comments. Okay. So guys, is it first time you are listening? So whatever the stuff which you are doing, whatever the company you are working. So if you are not having enough work, what is the first step you should do? You should leave the company. It is not good for you. Okay. So it is also about understanding business problem, providing a solution. So the future of data science is going to be amazing until human stop producing data. Even in your lockdown days, the data producing by the company has been really increased. Okay. Not decreased even. So the data is going to be there. So until there is going to be a data, so you're going to have a job opportunity. So don't think data science is going to be outdated. So those things, definitely there is going to be a huge job opportunity which is going to be there. So don't have any constraints. So this is going to be a right path for you. So you are in a right path. So only thing you need to do is try to subscribe for this 5-in-1 combo bundle. Just we have only 10 minutes were left. Just subscribe for it and try to have a hands dirty on image data, text data, audio data, video data, and like numerical data, and have a tools experience like Power BI, Tableau, Excel, MySQL, MongoDB, and machine learning frameworks like scikit-learn, and deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow, Caffe, PyTorch, Keras, and MXNet, Darknet, and NLP concepts, which are both NLU and NLG, which is natural language understanding and natural language generation, and creating a chatbot, and likewise kind of etc there. So everything which you are going to get absolutely with just rupees of 999. Okay. And some question which has been got, do we get only 30 days access for recorded session to all the 5 courses? So after 30 days, I can't see all the videos. No, it is completely for the lifetime. Okay. So for the lifetime, you are going to get 5 courses. Okay. So wait a minute. Let me show you. Okay. So you are not only going to get single course, you are going to get all the 5 courses recordings with lifetime validity. So for anytime you want, you can watch it from your mobile phone, you can watch it from your laptop. So you can share with your family members as well. If you're having a sisters, so you can share it and you can learn. So just rupees of 999, you're going to get 5 courses with more than even 100 plus projects at the price of 999, and also a lot of additional bonuses which is also given inside this portal. And if you want to see the portal, let me show you. So this is the portal, learn.pantechsolutions.net. So inside the portal, every courses which is going to be given like this. So internship on AI is here. So if you are clicking this, so you can able to click this. Okay, you can able to see this. You just see here. So everything you just see here. So this is like videos and everything which is going to be like this. You can click the video and you can watch the video and you can complete it. And once you have completed it, so you are going to attend every Saturday live sessions and some lot of assignments and tasks which is going to be given to you. So for an example, here, this is YOLO object detection. So you should bring your own object. You just see here, Benama Zagia are doing some awesome project is like fall detection. If some patient is here, so if some patient have been fall down and that is gonna be detected. How many of you people really love this project? If you really love this project, you just post love this Sanjay in your live chat. And this is fingerprint detection. So this is awesome thing, right? So likewise, you can able to build your own application. That is what we are already started this series. If you really don't want to miss the series, if you want to start your own project, if you want to create your own application like this, so please start it very soon because the coming Saturday, don't miss out. Okay. So yes, that is what it's all about. Okay. So that is what it's all about. And okay, another very important thing. What is the thing is? Okay, another very important thing, the people who have registered for the internship. So what you just do is you just go to the portal, and in the portal, in the first video itself, the mandatory step first, join the community here. You just click that first option and you can, what is it? You can click that and you can register for the community. You can join the community. So this community link will be given in this course first link. So you can click that and you can just do that. Okay. Harshit Gupta, don't waste your time. Teach us. Yeah. So first, thank you so much for your comment. I'm really sorry for that. Yes, that is what it's all about. Again, I'm telling you, there are nearly around 12,800 plus Google reviews. So you can check it out if you really want. And course portal access and private community access, everything which has been given here. So this is what is all about. And how many of you people really want a further value? If you really want a further value, you just post, I need Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, else if you want to start it completely from tomorrow, so you just post tomorrow Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, final 5 minutes were left. The people who wanted to register as soon as possible. The time is running out. Okay, so if you really wanted to know the people, how many people are registering for it, so let me show you that as well. Okay, Abhyodhan, there is a lot of people interested in this part of country. I introduced them to, will there be a way of masterclass come up again? That's amazing. Guys, other people, you just please just look out there. So Abhyodhan from Nigeria, I think so, if I'm not wrong. So Abhyodhan is just welcoming other people who is from other countries as well. It is really awesome thing, right? Yes. Manas, okay, if you are really thinking it is a waste of time, don't think like that, because if you are really not giving up on tomorrow, you can able to see or you can able to feel, or you will definitely change your point. Okay, that I can assure you, that I can give you 100% assurance. Okay, so yes, that is what it's all about. Yes, so while talking about the machine learning, and from tomorrow we are going to start installing a Python, and we are going to discussing about what is the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning in a very in detail with a story I'm going to discussing you about. And also I'm going to completely install Python from the scratch. So how to install, how to download, and what all the error you will get, how to solve that. So likewise, I'm going to give a lot of tips and tricks. I'm going to sharing it with you. Okay. So yes. Okay, and other than that, if you guys have any questions, please raise your questions in the live chat. Okay, please raise your questions in the live chat. Okay, and the people who still not given up, I'm going to give this session right now itself. Are you all ready for it? If you're all ready, you just post I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. If you are not ready, you just post I'm not ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, it is not this technical. It is a one bonus session which I really want to share with you, because again I'm telling you, it is I think fifth time I'm telling you, technical skills is not only enough for to go to the greater heights in your career. Apart from that, you really need a lot of things. Okay, so I'm going to tell about that. Okay, how many people are really interested? So if you are interested, you just post I'm interested, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so if you are interested, yes, a lot of people are posting interested. That's really awesome. So guys, while talking about this programming mind, today I'll reveal 5 points and tomorrow I'll be revealing the rest of the 5 points. The first point which I'm being revealing is success is the progressive realization of worthy ideal. Guys, whatever you really want in your life, so for each and every minute, for each and every people, the success is going to be different. For some people, if I've got 50,000 salary or 1 lakh salary per month, if that is the success, yes, that is going to be success. For some people, if I own a house which is worth of 1 crore, that is going to be success for them. So success is going to be different for each and every people. But if you really want to achieve that success, you should realize that each and every minute of your life. Instead, a lot of people think in terms of, I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have this. So don't think on that way. So success is the progressive realization of worthy ideal. And second point, our past is not equal to the future. So before going over to this point, the second point is think big. So whatever you really want in your life, always try to dream big. So if you want a phone, if you want a laptop, if you want a like money, or if you want a house, whatever you really want to want in your life, try to always think big. Okay, so that will be really helpful to achieve or to tune the frequency into what you really want in your life. Don't constrain yourself. So on that point, a lot of people will tell like this, Sanjay, I'm getting only 10,000 salary, or still now I don't have any job. How can I dream big? Guys, that's why I'm telling you, our past is not equal to the future. Okay, our past is not equal to the future. So you should be trying to think, whatever the situation you are, whatever the circumstances you have, try to dream big. So don't compare your past, because your past is not gonna be your future. And third point, if you are not filling your day with high priority actions, your day will be automatically filled with low priority distractions. So you are waking up on each and every day. So if you are not knowing what you are going to do on the day, that day is going to be filled with Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, and etc. If you are a creator, that is well and good, you are super awesome. But if you are just a consumer, that is going to be a total loss for you. Always try to be a creator more than a consumer. So that is what the third important point. Guys, do you really loving this? If you're really loving this, you just post loving this Sanjay in your live chat. And the fifth point, we will plan positive thoughts and we will achieve positive results. Your mind is like a land where you can plant both a poisonous plant and fruit plant. Okay, so guys, I can able to show you the very best example. Okay, so first thing, especially Dhirendra saying yes, a lot of people, for the lot of the people, let me talk about this. We will plan positive thoughts and we will achieve positive results. For an example, if you don't like something, try to focus what you really want instead of focusing on what you really don't want. Okay, for an example, if you are a person who used to think in this way, Sanjay, I don't have enough money, I don't have a skill, I don't have a good mindset, I don't have good friends, I don't have money, I don't have good family, I don't have car, I don't have a bike, I don't have a own house, I'm not looking good, I can't able to speak English fluently, and what is I can't do what my friends are doing. So how many of you people are in these thoughts? If you are in these thoughts, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so if you are in these thoughts, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat. So if you are in these thoughts, let me tell you something. Even though you are in this situation, even though you are poor, you don't have money, you don't have car, you don't have bike or whatever else, try to do a little mind shift. The mind shift needed to be like this. I need a money, I need a bike, I need a car, I need a rich family. I want to own a 1 crore worth of house, and I need a good family. I need a good friends. I need to look handsome. I want to speak good, and I need to have enough. I need to have multiple source of income. just try to think in terms of this way. Definitely you will feel the differences. Okay, so guys, is it insightful? If it is insightful, you just post it's insightful, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, for an example. And other than that, so these are all the things. Okay, so try to think what you really want instead of focusing on what you really don't want. Okay, so that is what the very important thing. So try to be always keep on this in your mind. So try to maintain your positive thoughts. Whenever you are getting your negative thoughts, try to eradicate from it and try to come into your positive thoughts. If you are thinking you don't have money, suddenly come into the point of thoughts, I need a money. So this mind shift, which is going to be really helpful to change your life. Okay, I hope you really like this. Okay, so I hope you really love this mindset as well. And if you are missing tomorrow's session, you are gonna be losing very biggest thing. Okay, so because what is the thing is, I'm gonna be giving the mind map link. Okay, this is the PDF link, okay, which I'm gonna be sharing with you tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to give this PDF to you. Okay, so don't miss out the tomorrow. And tomorrow, and also I'm gonna give you an amazing bonus. Okay, so that is what a very important thing. And the people who really wanted to know, like, let me show you. Okay, wait a minute. So the people who are registering for the what is it, registering for the gold membership, registering for this membership, the 5-in-1 combo. So let me show you this right now. Wait a minute. Yeah, so these are all the people you just see here. So how many people are registering for this? What I'm going to do is I'm just going to extend this offer a minute. And if you are coming tomorrow, definitely you can't able to see this, guys, that I can assure you. So let me show you only capture the people who are all just paid for this internship. Okay, the 5-in-1 internship, whatever it is. So the people who are all registered for this 5-in-1 internship, you just see the people who are all registering for the internship. You just see here. So 847, 845, 844, 844, 843, 843, 842, 841, 839. So you just see here there are a lot of people are registering for the internship on even a page number 2 or page number 3, etc., etc. There are a lot of people are registering for the internships. The people who really don't want to miss out this great offer, this is the right opportunity. This is really a great thing, right? So don't miss out this great opportunity and to register for this internship, guys. Okay, so this is the great thing, right? So I hope you have got it. Okay, so I've just extended this offer, guys. And if you guys have any questions, please raise your questions because I'm here to clear all your questions. And if you want to follow me, you can follow me through the LinkedIn. And if you guys have any questions, you can contact us through this link. So if you are going to the link, there will be a form. So you can use this form to ask your questions. Okay, some people are asking to extend and like time. So definitely tomorrow we'll be covering up very in depth. The people who have spreaded some negative message, I think I really know some of the people have observed some negative messages. But for those people, if they are attending tomorrow, they will they'll back up their words. Okay, definitely, because like from the tomorrow we are going to start our practical sessions. Okay, so yes, how can this internship help us? This is gonna be really helpful to have a hands-on practice on each and every concept and each and every algorithms in different concept of artificial intelligence and data analytics and data science, and also which is gonna be helping you to get a job very quickly as soon as possible, as well as it is gonna bring you an interest, because that is what the very important thing. Even you are subscribed for a Udemy, whenever you start a course, you will lose your confidence. How many people are here? You have subscribed any course in your Udemy and you have not completed it. If you are, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat. The solution, this 5-in-1 combo internship. What is the tomorrow start time? Tomorrow start time, which is gonna be 7:30. Okay. Any basic knowledge is required for the course? No basic knowledge is required for the course, which is going to be completely from the scratch. So you're going to completely learn it from the scratch. Don't worry. Exam preparation. No, you are wrong. So if you are having any other questions, I'm going to reply you. Don't worry. Is really this is a live session? Amit Mishra. Yes, it is a live session, sir. How much is the course validity? It's just a lifetime, guys. Tamar Keval, any basic knowledge is required for the course? No basic knowledge is required for the course. You're going to completely learn from the scratch. This 999 internship is in Tamil. No, it is in English. Love from Nepal. Sudeep, thank you. And Deepak Nimmal, no, please don't spread any negative message. We have paid a money for ML. Okay, that's awesome. Guys, how many of you people are registered for this 5-in-1 internship? If you are registered for the 5-in-1 internship, we are going to we are going to meet it on the coming Saturday. So on the coming Saturday on the Zoom live session, we are going to meet it up very soon. We are going to continue that YOLO object recognition. So whatever the object you have, you might have the stamp, you might have relay, so you can able to do the object recognition. That is what the series we are in. So we are going to meet up on the coming Saturday event. Any resume building, so that soft skill which is already available in different membership, which is gold membership. So if you really wanted to know about the gold membership, that we'll be discussing on the tomorrow. I bought the course. What should I do next? Arjun, so you have got a link or you have got a mail regarding this course login and those stuff. You just visit this portal learn.pantechsolutions.net and you can start your course. Doing a great work. Satish, thank you. Are the data set going to be built by us for the practice the project? Yes, for the internship participants, every data set is just going to be given as like a zip file. Neha, can you please extend the time of registering to nearly half an hour? I'm having a payment issue. Okay, Neha, I'm just extending for further more hours. Okay, you just use the time and register for the internship. This is combo for Tamil course. No, it is English. Do I need attend regularly when I register 5-in-1 combo? Yes. So actually no. So if you are registering for 5-in-1 combo, you no need to register. You no need to attend this live session event because already the 5 internship certificate, individual internship certificate is really waiting for you. So don't worry about it. I've completed Python, data analytics, machine learning. Now started deep learning. It was great course. So thank you so much, Sanjay. Niharika, that is really awesome. So just give a great applause to Niharika because she have already completed Python course, data analytics course, machine learning course, and she have started deep learning course. That is really awesome. Mohammad Rizwan, yes, it is same. I'm also having payment issue. Okay, a lot of people are having a payment issue. I'm really sorry for that, guys. Okay, I'm really sorry for that. I have taken the course. I hope it's worth it. Definitely it is going to be worth it. It is 100 times the value. Definitely it is going to be worth for around 1 lakh even. So it is really worth for you guys. It is really worth for 1 lakh. Okay, it's just going to be 100 times the value. Just pay 1000 rupees and get the value of 100 times. Okay, which is really worth for it, guys. Okay, don't worry about the payment link, whether it is deep learning is available there or not. Don't worry about it. So even though it is available or not, just if you are using the payment link of rupees 999, you are going to be enrolled to that 5 courses. Give us time. Will tomorrow at least? Decision cannot be taken in a hurry. Mamidi, I'm really sorry. If you are going to purchase tomorrow, we are going to give only 4 courses. Okay, not 5 courses is possible. I think we are going to give only 3 courses. Okay, if you want today is the right opportunity to get 5 courses at 999. Tomorrow the combo is going to be turned into 3 courses at 999. Okay, the 5-in-1 pack is same as last year. Yes, exactly. Guys, is there any question you need to ask? You can ask your question on technical, on non-technical, soft skills, or anything. You can, if you really want to ask a question, you can ask to me. And if you guys haven't followed me, you can also follow me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. And if you guys want to ask any question to my team, you can contact us through this contact us form. So let me share this contact us link in the live chat as well. So you just use the link to contact us. Today till what time? Neha, I think the ending time, which is around 11, I think so. Before the line, on the time of 11, the link which is going to be deactivated. Okay, the people who have completed, so you just post completed. And another very important thing, don't miss out the tomorrow session. Tomorrow session is going to be really, really crucial, because if you have missed the tomorrow session, you will be feeling very much difficulty on the rest of the 28-day session. So tomorrow, don't miss out the session, guys. Okay. Will this internship help me to get a job? Let me show you some case studies. You just see here in our community, we have a success stories. So in our success stories, Aniket Sakpal posted, I would like to thank Pantech Solutions and Sanjay Kumar for their awesome masterclass of Python AI and great Raspberry Pi internship, which helped me to crack a job as a Raspberry Pi developer. The knowledge I got this internship has been valued so much in my job. I want to increase my knowledge. You just see here, there are a lot of people are asking 1 lakh rupee, 1,50,000 rupee, 5 lakh rupee to get the job. But at just rupees of 999, people are getting jobs. That is because of the experience which has been created as like a course on the project wise, which is not going to demotivate you, because like in some of the people, I've also purchased a lot of courses for my upgradation where I paid around, like for an example, 70,000, where the courses were 400 hours. Is it possible to cover, is it possible to see 400 hours of video lectures? Definitely not. And also 70,000 is really not going to be helpful for me, because I'm not going to complete the course. So in a very short span of time, which has been consolidated is like a course. So this is going to be giving the very quick insight, which is going to be increasing the probability of getting a job very soon. Because even though you have paid 1 lakh rupees, you should complete the course. Then only you'll get a job, right? But if that course is 300 hours of course, definitely we will lose our confidence to complete the course. We can't able to complete it. It is really mission impossible, right? 400 hours of video, we can't watch it. But just by 30 days of video and Python AI, which is a 10 days course, which is 40 days of video, 40 hours of video, he got a job. Aniket Sakpal. That is really awesome thing, right? So that is why I'm telling you, this is the final call. 5 courses at the price of 999. So tonight we are going to deactivate the link. If you are going to register tomorrow, the offer which you are going to get is 3 courses at 999. Okay. If you really want the 5 courses at 999, 5 courses is nothing but Artificial Intelligence 30 days course, Machine Learning 30 days course, Data Analytics 30 days course, Deep Learning 30 days course, Python 10 days course. So totally around this is 90 and 120 and 130 days of course. There's 5-in-1 internship combo at the price of 999 rupees. Additionally, you will be having lifetime access for this private community. Additionally, you will be having a lifetime live events on Saturdays. You just see here every event has been already scheduled. So AI bootcamp, which is going to be conducted on Saturday, every Saturday morning 10:30 a.m. on the Zoom. So where you can clear your doubts, or you can attend the new values where we are participating in some of series. And also we used to conduct some hackathons as well. So we have 10 days hackathon, which has been recently completed. So if you really want this, so this is the great opportunity for you. Okay. So if you have registered for it, you just post, I registered Sanjay in your live chat. If you haven't registered, if you are telling the reason like Sanjay, I don't have money, it is really not a valid reason. If you are really telling Sanjay, I don't have a money to pay or to get the 5-in-1 courses at the rupees of 999, and if you are spending money for watching a movie, or having your snacks or whatever, the burger or pizzas or movies, so if you are spending the money for that, it is really a not a valid reason. It is some other different thing which is blocking you to pay for it. Okay, if it is just testing your confidence. Your inner thought is telling you, even you have paid a money, you are not completing, you are not going to complete the course. So if that inner mind is telling that, and if you are listening to that, and if you are not registering for this 5-in-1 combo, definitely you are not going, your inner thought will tell again, you are not eligible to get the job. Again, your inner thought will tell you like you are not eligible to get high paying salary. So you are going to be in a lifelong, you are going to be like this. So likewise, your inner thought, don't believe your inner thoughts. Okay. So try to think a lot. You can also compare with Udemy. You can compare with any company which you really want and try to compare the agenda, try to see the projects and try to see the private community value and unlimited live sessions on Saturdays and the projects, number of projects which you are going to complete, everything, whatever the company which you want to compare, you can compare and you can make a decision. Okay. Is it really awesome? So if you have made a decision, if you are into this community, you just post, I am in Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. Is it really awesome? So how many of people really loved it? So if you have enjoyed it, you just post, I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. And please accept my apologies for only having a theoretical and very less session, less technical on the first day. But from tomorrow, it is going to be mind blowing. So completely practical, not even a single theory which is going to be there. So going to be more practical when comparing with the theory. So I hope you really enjoyed a lot. And again, I'm telling you, this 5-in-1 course combo offer, which is going to be ends tonight. Okay, but if you really want only a single course, you can also get this machine learning single course at the price of 499 as well. Okay, so I hope you really enjoyed a lot. So if you have enjoyed a lot, you just post, I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. And if you guys have any other questions also, you can ask it in the live chat. After I completed my course, what is my basic salary? It is also about the job roles which you are applying for. Okay, so if you want to check, you can also check with some other websites to check out the salary official statistics. Okay. Embedded system engineering need the internship. Okay, definitely you'll get that. What about IoT and embedded system internship of 399? That is individual, that is separate courses. How much time required to learn Python properly? If you are completely starting from Python, you will lose your confidence. So that's why we are giving in this way. Try to complete AI course first. You will get more confidence on Python as well. So in this journey, if you are going in this way, you will be mastering in a Python as well as in the data analysis and data scientist using a Python. So don't take Python course at first. That is my best advice. If you are taking Python course as first, you will be not completing the course. Try to take AI course first because it will give the overall idea about everything. So try to take AI course first. I completed my graduation in 2018. Should I join? Shivani, I think you are my batch because I'm also 2018 18 passed out. I completed my BEEC at 2018. You are my batch. You can also join right now itself. Even in our community, we have students from schools who is from 8th standard. And also the people who are all working in a company from in the age of 50, 60 as well. We have community members are for part of it. Okay, you can also join. What about the YouTube thumbnail? You have mentioned that machine learning masterclass free. Yes, Sumit Kumar, it is a free. For 30 days, it is free. It's the free webinar certificate you are going to get if you are getting minimum of 25 days of 25 days of attendance. And I'm not going to hide any source code or anything. I'm going to show it transparently. You can see and you can watch that, and you need to type the course. Okay, so you want to type the code. Okay, that is what a very important problem here. And also the source code and data set is also not going to be given. Just you want to see and you want it to type. That is what the only difference between the YouTube webinar versus the internships. Dhaval Fatanani, I need some assistance here. I'm trying to pay, but it is failing again and again. Guys, if you need a support, you just contact us through this contact us page. So we will be WhatsApping you. So you can use that WhatsApp and you can ping us. When will be getting the internship certificate? Once you have completed the 1-by-1 course, you will be getting individual certificate, because since I've already told you there are 5 courses. So this is, you'll be getting AI internship certificate, machine learning internship certificate, data analytics internship certificate, deep learning internship certificate, and Python internship certificate. So like guys, you will be getting 5 internship certificates once you are completing it. Can I get a job offer after 30 days, and how much CPA can I get? It's all about the promotion which you are making. which is promoting yourself, and the knowledge which you have, the skills which you have, how much ability you can able to answer it. It's all includes everything. Sanjay, I have joined in 4-in-1 course. Sorry, it is not possible. You can get single course individually. In which language it will be? If you're talking about programming language, it is going to be on Python completely. If you're talking about the normal language, it is going to be on English. Okay, and if you really want me to fix something, I really know today technical part were less, but other than that, if you want something which I need to fix it for you, you just give your comments in the live chat, you just give your suggestion. I can also fix that issue which is present inside me, guys. What about placements? For the placements, we have other memberships, so if you are interested, you can also go for it. Hotel, at the age of 45 plus as government employee, how can I achieve these goals? As a government employee, if you really want to create some passive income to do a data analysis for other company as a freelancer, you can do that. So that is what the way where you can solve the problems. Okay, other than that, is there any questions, guys? So how many of people are registered into this mission? Is there any examination after completed to get the internship certificate? Not an examination, it might be evaluation test. Okay, it is not going to affect your certification, guys. Don't worry, you will get a certificate once you have completed a course. Duration for this internship, it is a 5 courses, so you can complete, because like some people watch only 1 hour, some people will watch 5 hours per day, so it's up to you guys, but the validity is gonna be lifetime. If you want in the Tamil, so Tamil we are also having a three Tamil in combo, so which is AI masterclass in Tamil, machine learning in Tamil, data analytics in Tamil. I think so. We have an offer. So if you want that, you just contact us team. But I'm not sure about the pricing, so please contact us through this form. Okay. Thank you so much, Bhushan Kulkarni, for posting. I enjoyed. So guys, again I'm telling you, don't miss out the tomorrow session, which is going to be very, very important and crucial session. So don't miss out. Please tell the path of this session. You can go through this way: AI, machine learning, data analytics, deep learning, and Python. You can go this in this order. Okay, hope you enjoyed. So if you guys haven't followed me, if you haven't followed me, please follow me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. And if you guys have any queries regarding this, please contact us. But don't raise the payment query on 5-in-1 combo, because 5-in-1 combo, which is going to end today. So don't miss out the great opportunity. You just use the link which is given in the live chat and description. You just use the link and join the internship very soon. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. And again, I'm telling you, don't miss out the tomorrow session, which is going to be very, 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 very important on the remaining 28 days. So thank you so much once again. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for your interaction. And from tomorrow, try to ask a lot of questions, which is going to be really, really helping us to interact a lot and discuss a lot. So apart from the normal technical stuffs, we can talk a lot more stuffs about CUDA programming, Nvidia hardwares, artificial intelligence, robot creation or autonomous robots, and like satellite images analysis and custom object classification. So likewise, we are going to talk a lot more stuffs apart from this technical stuff. I hope you really enjoyed a lot. So thank you so much once again. Thank you so much for your valuable comment. Thank you, Jose Yakuba, for posting inspiring. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much once again. Again, I'm telling you, 11 p.m. is going to be the last time to get this 5-in-1 combo. If you are coming tomorrow, after you are classing 11 p.m., you are going to get only 3 courses at the price of 999. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.